Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am CPA Bisho Jit and today's video we are diving into the 6 best niches for affiliate marketing in 2025. You are just getting started or thinking to pivoting into the profitable niche. This video will save you tons of time and research. And so grab your notes and let's dive in. Now, what is niche? Before we jump into the list, a real quick. A niche is just a focused topic or segment of a market. Instead of targeting everyone, you pick a specific audience like a fitness for moms, budget travel, or productive tools. The more specific your niche, the better your chances of making real affiliate incomes. First is AI tools and automation. AI tools and automation. AI is not a trend. It's a revolution for businesses, marketers, and creators are looking for tools that you can save time and boost productivity. Promote tools like Jasper AI, Copy AI, Write Sonic, and even ChatGPT related services and earn recurring commissions. Why it's great? People love free trials and those tools often offer monthly subscriptions. That means passive recurring income for you. Second is personal finance and investing. Everyone wants to manage money better, save more, and invest smartly. You can promote tools like budgeting apps, stock trading platforms, credit card comparisons, or crypto tools. That niche has a huge search volume and very high paying affiliate programs. Tips: create a content like best app to save money or how to invest $100. Those keywords attract engaged audiences. Number 3 is for dreamers. That niche is travel and digital nomad life. People are working remotely and exploring the world more than ever. Promote travel insurance, booking platforms, remote work tools and gear, and online travel courses. This niche works well with Pinterest, YouTube, and Instagram. And if you are a traveler yourself, affiliate marketing can actually fund your trips. Number 4, health and fitness and wellness. This evergreen niche includes weight loss, home workouts, supplements, mental health apps, sleep gadgets, and more. People spend big money to feel better and look good. If you can niche down into the areas like into dieting, yoga for beginners, or fitness gear for busy parents, and promote relevant affiliate products. The fifth niche is about online learning and digital courses. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, Skillshare, Teachable, and language apps like Duolingo offer affiliate programs. More people are learning online coding, design, marketing, side hustle, and you name it. Create content around top 5 courses to learn X in 2025 or best website to learn from home. Number 6 is e-commerce and side hustle. People are constantly searching for ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing, dropshipping, freelancing, print on demand, etc. Promote tools like Shopify, Canva Pro, Fiverr, Printful, or System.io. Bonus tips: combine these with YouTube, TikTok, or blogging, and you will build trust first. And those are you have it and the 6 best affiliate marketing niches for 2025. Pick on that aligns with your interest and go deep. Remember, the niches are in the niches. If you have found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon and more tips on affiliate marketing and online incomes. Drop your favorite niche in the comments below. I have to love to hear what you are working on.